Hey everybody, my name's John, I'm here with ReportBack, and today I'm here to cover Facebook pages, but just the basics. We're going to set up an account, we're going to go through the basic sign up process, and then once we're in, we're going to tinker with a couple of settings to make sure that everything's ready for your first post. It's all pretty simple and it won't take very long at all, and we're going to do the whole thing by setting up ReportBack's first Facebook page. In the future, I'll have another video that goes into more detail, outlining the more advanced settings, but we'll save that, like I said, for a future video. So let's just jump right into this. The first thing that you're gonna need is a personal Facebook page. If you don't already have one, you can just create one really easily and meet us back at this point. If you do have one, just sign in, and then we need to navigate to facebook.com/pages/create. And the link will be in the description if you're following along on YouTube. And you can also just type in create a Facebook page in Google and you will find this. No problem at all. So once we're here, we're going to click on Get Started and we need a name for our page. I'm going to type in ReportBack Analytics, and then we need a category for our business. So I'm going to type in software, and then I'm going to hit continue. You do the same for your business, whatever fits the best. And there are some category suggestions. Once that's all loaded, it's going to ask for a profile picture. So I am going to select the profile picture I made. And it's asking for a cover photo. So I'm going to select the cover photo that I previously made. And the basics of our account have been created. Now what I want to do is just go into settings and tackle some of the immediate things that we want to look at. So as you can see, there's a couple of notifications at the top. This first notification is just letting you know that your profile picture and your banner picture have been uploaded. Now the edit page info and settings is the same notification, and there's a few things that we want to tackle here, and it's just sort of based on what your business is and how much information you want to give away. For me, I don't need to add a phone number, and we don't have a physical address, so I'm just going to cancel those and click save. The rest does apply, so I'm going to copy and paste this description that I previously wrote into the description section and click on save. Make sure you click on save after each one of these because they do save individually. Now I'm going to enter our website. I copy and pasted this directly off my browser so that I would have the HTTP at the front, and I'm going to click save as well. And then an email, I'm just going to put my own email here, and that would be john@reportback.ca. We're going to click save. And then finally, we want to take a look at hours of operation. If you have these, feel free to fill them in, but since we are automated, we are always open. So click save there. And actually, we do have a privacy policy at ReportBack, so I will copy and paste the link here. Feel free to add to this where you see fit and where it applies to you. And you'll notice when I refresh this page, all the notifications have gone away and you are left with a completed, or at least rudimentarily completed Facebook page. So that's it for this video. Like I said, I will have a future video that covers some more advanced things with the Facebook page. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.